So handsome, as you can see, the gals down south sure go for me. How would you like to look like me?
Look like him? Whoops, my dear.
How would you like to look like me?
Well, my face may look like heck.
Look like heck, it looks like heck.
But yours looks like a horse's neck.
A horse's what?
A horse's neck. Oh, wait a minute, Mr. Flip. Pay no attention to those nips. Come and take me from this place on you. I'll make a nice new face.